I've always believed that the moment you decide to be extraordinary is the moment your life begins to change. Today, I want to share an idea that can revolutionize your life, career, and relationships. It's simple but powerful. Act as if you are the best. No one is better than you. Acting as if you are the best means adopting the mindset, habits, and actions of someone at the top of their game. It's about setting a high standard for yourself. Consider great athletes or master craftsmen. They carry a certain confidence and poise, not out of arrogance, but certainty. They've put in the work and are ready to perform at the highest level. When you act as if you're the best, you start to believe it. And when you believe it, you start to become it. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. For example, imagine you're in a job interview. If you're nervous and doubting yourself, the interview probably won't go well. But if you walk in with confidence, acting as if you're the best candidate, you'll likely change the outcome. Even if you don't get the job, you'll have practiced confidence and articulated your skills powerfully, which will serve you well in future opportunities. Acting as if you're the best doesn't mean you stop learning or growing. The best people in any field are always improving. By acting as if you're the best, you're committing to continuous improvement. This principle applies to every area of your life. In relationships, act as if you're the best partner, friend, or parent. In health and fitness, act as if you're in the best shape of your life. In finances, act as if you're the best at managing money. At first, it might feel like pretending, but humans are adaptable. We become what we consistently do. If you consistently act confident, you'll become confident. If you consistently make healthy choices, you'll become healthy. The world responds to how you act. When you carry yourself as if you're the best, people treat you differently and opportunities open up. This isn't about fooling others. It's about convincing yourself of your potential and worth. Most of us have a voice in our heads saying we're not good enough. By acting as if you're the best, you reprogram that voice, telling it, I am good enough. I can achieve great things. What starts as an act becomes your reality. Acting as if you're the best doesn't mean ignoring your weaknesses. The truly great are aware of their shortcomings, but see them as opportunities for growth. When you act as if you're the best, you're committing to honest self-assessment and high standards. The most successful people I've met act as if they're the best. They carry themselves with quiet confidence and inspire others. Imagine your life if you truly believed you were the best at what you do. Acting as if you're the best isn't just about achieving external success. It's about transforming your internal landscape. Start now. Don't wait until you feel ready. The greatest achievers didn't wait. They acted ready and became ready. Act as if you're the best and watch your life transform. This principle elevates everyone around you. When you raise your standards, others rise to meet you. Acting as if you're the best helps you see the best in others. Building a team of champions. Failure is part of success. Acting as if you're the best means facing failures with resilience, learning from them, and coming back stronger. The best aren't afraid of failure. They're afraid of not trying. Stop comparing yourself to others. When you act as if you're the best, your only competition is who you were yesterday. Focus on your growth and progress. This mindset isn't about perfection, but excellence. It's about continuous improvement. The great welcome mistakes as opportunities to learn and grow. Acting as if you're the best means adopting habits of excellence, becoming more disciplined, focused, and intentional. Humility isn't thinking less of yourself. It's thinking of yourself less. Acting as if you're the best maximizes your potential and positive impact. Great people don't need to brag. Their actions speak for themselves. Leadership is about example. When you act as if you're the best, you naturally lead. You're confident, competent, and others follow. This mindset means always learning and growing, pushing boundaries, and stepping out of your comfort zone. Visualization is powerful. Successful people visualize themselves at their best. Try this daily. See yourself acting confidently and achieving goals. Language shapes reality. Speak with confidence. Replace "I'll try" with "I will," and "I hope" with "I know." Inspire others with your words. Acting as if you're the best is a daily practice. It's about consistency, handling criticism constructively, and collaboration. It means striving for excellence in all areas of life, being adaptable, and seeing change as growth. Your legacy is shaped by your actions today. Act as if you're the best to leave a positive mark. Forgive yourself and others, focusing on the present and future. Cultivate gratitude, recognizing the good in your life. Ultimately, this principle transforms your sense of purpose. Strive for excellence in all aspects of life. Help others grow, creating a ripple effect of positive change. Act as if you're the best, not out of arrogance, but from a belief in your potential and worth. Start now and watch your life transform.